Hello, Bebecitas, and welcome back to this beautiful channel. My name is Luz. Today I have the unboxing for the Boxycharm for October 2020. So I did open up my box slightly just to take a peek and see if I could see the theme, and the theme is candy or something like that. So I decided to bring my favorite candy, which is Jolly Ranchers. Oh, and by the way, check out my nails. This is the second time I've tried applying tips and I really like them. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. So the theme for this month is Candy Shop. And here is a quick little look at what I got this month, and the variation is number 72. The first thing that came out is the Frank Body Glow Mask. This is a moisturizing face mask that is natural and ultra hydrating, and it works to reduce puffiness and give the skin extra life, glow, and brightness. It's perfect for pre-makeup, late nights, and morning afters. It's natural, cruelty-free, and only takes 5 minutes to work. Wow, sounds pretty good to me. It kind of sounds a little bit like Sunday Riley, I think, not sure. The next product is the Grow Alchemist Matte Balancing Moisturizer, and this is a lightweight moisturizer that hydrates facial skin while balancing the skin's oil levels, leaving skin with a matte finish and increased clarity. So this is a moisturizer. I feel like I have quite a bit of moisturizers in my stash, so although I am super excited for this packaging, it looks like a toothpaste kind of, or like a hair dye. If you know the professional hair dyes, they come in this tube, some of them do. So I totally dig the black and white going with the theme here, huh? Next product is the Farsali Privé Quench, and this is a serum that helps to replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. The staggered molecular weights of the hyaluronic acid are designed to promote multi-depth hydration on both the skin surface and in the epidermis. Enriched with replenishing provitamin B5, the skin's elasticity appears improved, as well as feeling and looking softer than before. And I think that this was one of the choice items, and to be honest, this month I just went with the choose for me section, and I'm happy with what I got. The next item is the Ace Beauté Dry Lip Liner Duo. This is a lip liner these are two lip liners that are super pigmented and draw on smoothly. They can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. It includes a sharpener at the base that can be used to sharpen the liner's tip. That's nice to know. It is a retractable, they're both retractable lip liners. I love the color of the packaging though. I'm a sucker for that packaging. And one is a little bit more on the brown tone. I think it's called Peachy, and that one I have high hopes for. But the red one, I already have a red lip liner that I love, and it's in a wooden sharpening form, so I like the formula a lot better. It's from MAC, so I'm not sure I'm going to get a lot of use of the red one. I might just pass it along, but that brown one, peachy brown one, is gorgeous. And last but not least, we have the Pretty Vocal Nesting BI Face Palette. Nesting Face Palette has a beautiful selection of rosy blushes, sun-kissed bronzers, and a creamy, glowing highlighters. These must-have buildable shades deliver great color payoff and blend out like a dream. They're developed for a wide range of skin tones and perfect for contouring your face. I do have to agree, when I swatched these colors, they all showed up on my skin, and that is hardly ever the way things flow around here, but they are beautiful. And there is a contouring shade, a nice warm bronzer that's shimmery for the eyes, or for even like a all over glowy look. It's gorgeous. These are all the products that I received for October Boxycharm. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you and stay blessed. Bye.